Why the universe seems incomprehensible. Because our brain was not designed to understand the universe. It was designed to survive. It simplifies everything. It cuts time into past, present, future. It turns reality into separate objects. It creates a coherent narrative. It filters 99.9% of information. The universe has no obligation to be understandable to a human brain. It can be non-local, non-linear, multi-dimensional, emergent, probabilistic, or even totally different from what we imagine. Incomprehension is not a failure. It's a sign that reality goes beyond our biological interface. Why we feel that something is missing. Because our consciousness perceives a gap between what our senses show and what our deeper intuition senses. This gap creates a feeling of incompleteness, a search for meaning, the impression of a veil, the intuition that a deeper level exists. Philosophers call this transcendence. Physicists call it the fundamental reality. Mystics call it unity. Neuroscientists call it an incomplete internal model. In every case, this feeling is not a mistake. It's a driving force. Why death limits us? Because death puts an end to our experience. And anything that has an end creates anxiety, lucidity, depth, value. If you were immortal, you wouldn't search for anything. Death is not only a limit, it gives meaning to the quest. But it also creates a tension. I want to understand before I disappear. It's human, it's universal, it's what makes you a conscious being. Why consciousness exists. This is the most mysterious question of all. 3 major hypotheses exist. Consciousness as a product of the brain. The brain creates consciousness like a computer runs a program. This is the materialist hypothesis. Consciousness as a fundamental property of the universe, like space, time, or energy. This is the panpsychist hypothesis, supported by some modern physicists. Consciousness as an interface. It doesn't show reality, but a simplified version for survival. This is the user interface hypothesis, Donald Hoffman. None of these are proven. All of them are possible. What is reality? There are 4 main visions. Material reality. The world exists independently of us. This is the classical view. Quantum reality. Reality is not made of objects, but of probabilities and relationships. Entanglement shows that separation is an illusion. Emergent reality. Space, time, and matter emerge from a deeper level. Information, energy, mathematics. Simulated reality. We live inside an interface, not in the source code. None of these visions are refuted. None are confirmed. Why we don't have the answers? Because we are inside reality, not outside it. A fish cannot understand the ocean. A video game character cannot understand the console. A brain cannot understand what goes beyond the brain. But humans have something unique. The ability to ask these questions, and that no AI, no animal, no machine can do.